Hi viewers, welcome to this part 3 of our complete refresher course in C program using this code block. In this part, we will be covering about the type of instructions. Mainly we are having three type of instructions. First is the type declaration instruction, second one is the arithmetic instruction, third one is the control instructions. In the first category, that is the type declaration instruction, we have things like character, integer, float, long and double. In the arithmetic instructions, we are having like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In the control structures, we are having a number of things. So first we go for this decision control structures. Here we can go for some if statement, we can go for if else statement, we can go for nested if else statements. So these are the things you can do using this type instruction. Then we'll be talking about in details about this type declaration instruction. So let us have the thing, the type declaration instructions. See, again we are having the type declarations with initializations. That means we declare a variable a, data type is integer. You can look at here. So integer a, and which is equal to 50. The I assigned a value is equal to 50, and b I assigned is equal to 100. Can you see it here? So this is a variable, and I am providing the data type of that one. It is integer, and I am assigning. So with I initializing. So value of a is equal to 50. Initial it is 50. Without initializations, how to declare? Suppose I declare integer a comma b comma c. So you can declare integer a semicolon, integer b semicolon, integer c semicolon, or if you want to put all these variables at a time, and if all they are same type, then integer space a comma b comma c, at the end you put a semicolon. So in this way we are able to initialize. So this is the, we declare the variable without initialize. Then what I am doing, say suppose a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 150, something I put it there. Okay, so then in the next statement, in this statement, we are able to initialize that one. So initially it is not initialized. Okay, then this is one there is an invalid initialization. You can look at here. Suppose you type like this, integer space a is equal to b is equal to c, which is equal to 150. It is a invalid initialization. Okay, so these are the things, minimum things you have to remember and you have to understand. And then I am going for another thing. Yeah, I am going for the different type of operators in C. Okay, we'll be discussing, we'll take a number of worked out example and we'll solve all the things. Now I am going for this operators in C. You can see we have this type of operators are there. One, first we are having unary operator, that means operand is 1, and we are going for this operator like plus plus, minus minus. So I plus plus, I minus minus, or plus plus I plus plus, minus minus I, like that. So this is not equal to and size of. These are the things we call it the unary operator, right? So then we are having the arithmetic operator like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Then we are having relational operators like less than equal to, greater than equal to. Then I am having equal operator like equal to or not equal to, like that. Then I am logical and or, like that. These operators are there. Then assignment operators is equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, multiply equal to, and division equal to. It is like that. That I will be one by one I will discussing, and I will giving you a number of worked out examples when all your doubts and everything will be clear. Okay. Then we mainly unary operators, and anyway I will be discussing all the things there also. So I will be little discussing about the size up, right? So now you come on here and we see it here. We are having so some operators like that. You can see I declared integer that is a. Okay, a is a variable I declared, and the data type integer, and I initialize value of a is equal to 20. Okay, right? This is the statement. Then a plus is equal to 5 means a is equal to a plus 5. This is the same thing. A minus 5 is equal to a is equal to a minus 5. A multiplication means same thing, you can understand. Then printf, because it is an integer, percentage d comma a. Okay, this is there, and return 0. So these are the minimum things, and you have to remember and you have to understand. Then immediately we can go for doing some programs here. We have seen a number of operators. Now let us work with some operators. Okay, now I am going to here. You can see I am going for a program here. Yeah, you can look at this program. Yeah, so it is a program where I am using the different type of operators like your addition, subtraction, multiplications. What I did it here, I declared the variable integer. Okay, the main method integer method is start here. Then I declared variable integer a, and I put it the variable a assigned to 30, integer b is equal to 10. Similarly, integer c, it is there as it is because I have not assigned any value to that one. So now I am telling I am going for addition. I say c is equal to a plus b. Okay. Then what will do? We are going to the printing the statement. Printf value of c is equal to percentage d slash, and a new line it will come, and that it is assigned to C. Okay, then what does it mean? What does it mean? Value of C will be put in C. What is value of C? Value of C will be A plus B. Then what is the output? Output A is equal to 30 and B is equal to 10. So A plus B, 30 plus 10, it will be 40. So in this print command, it will come, the output will come 40. Okay. Similarly, C is equal to A minus B or A subtraction B. So print a value of C which is equal to percentage D. You understand all things because it is integer. That's why I am going for this percentage D. If it is float, I have to put it A. Okay. It's like that. Say I am going for multiplication. C is equal to A multiplication B. So printf value of C is percentage D slash n comma C. So this is the syntax. I already told you how to use all the things using this printf command and scanf command. In our video 1 and 2, I already explained all things. So if you have any doubt, you can roll back and you can go to the video 1 or video 2. You get all these things clarified there. Then A division B also there. A percentage, it is just the modulo. The value of C is equal to like that. You can also get it here. Similarly, suppose I am going for A plus plus. Okay, unary operators. So value of A is equal to something, it is given 20, and A plus plus value, it will be printing it here. Similarly, A minus minus also you can get it here. Okay. Now it is enough. So we have seen all this program. You can write all these programs. I have already written for you. Then what you need to do? Then you go to the build here and you have to go for the building and run. Okay. Build and run. You can press F9 or I put it here. So on printing, you can see it here the value of the addition 30 plus 10, it has given 40. The value of C, the subtraction, it is 30 minus 10, it is equal to 20. The value of multiplication 30 into 10, it is equal to 300. So value of all the things, you can get the division 30 divided by 10 is equal to 3. Then modulus 30 divided by 10, it is divisible, and modulus is equal to 0. And the value of C is equal to, so all this increment it is now. So when I have taken value of C, it is there. You can go for the increment and the decrement, everything you can do it here. Okay. So like this you can have a number of programs. So I close this program here now. Then I go to the next program. This is program number 4 I have given to you. Now I am going to the program number 5. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 yeah, this is the program number 5 I want to show you. C program 5.c, right? So you can see, so you can go for this thing with the associated applications, open it inside the code block editor. Okay, you put it here. Not necessary. Okay, this 5. Okay, go ahead. Yes. Okay, now you can see the it has open, or it is not open here. I think, yeah, you just double click here. Yeah, give you 1 minute time. Just see program 5.c. Okay, or you can open it here, file, open. Okay, you can open it here and see program program number 6. Okay, just about this, the program is different thing. Program number 5, program, this is the program number 6, right? You can see it here. Now what I am doing it here, you see it here, this is the assignment operator I am using it here. Suppose initially I am going for this hash include stdio.h. This is the standard input output file. Then I am declaring the main function integer main. Then in this curly brackets we start it here, and you can see the integer I declared. A is a variable, data type is integer A, and I assigned 10 and I put it C. So C is equal to A. What is the value of C? So if A is equal to 10, C is equal to A means, so C value will be 10. Then print of C means the answer will be 10. You can understand. Then C plus is equal to A. That means C is equal to C plus A. What is the value of C? C is already equal to 10. Okay. So 10 plus 10, the C value of C will be 20. You get it now? Then C minus is equal to A. Then what is the value of C? C was 20 now. 20 minus 10, it is equal to 10, it will be there. Similarly, C multiplied, it will be 20 into, I think it is 20 into 10, it will be 200. Okay. So C plus, okay, is equal to A. This will be 200. The value of C, it will be 200 here. Okay, just to make a correction here, 200. So like that. So division also 20 divided by something like that. You can get all the things, and if small correction will there, that also you can do it here. Okay, this percentage also it will be 0 because it is divisible by that one, 20 divided by 10 also it is there. So in this way you can write a program, and if you try to run this program, you can see the output here also. So I run it here and I can see the output. Yeah, you can see the first one, c is equal to 10, and here and it is also 20. All this output whatever I told you, that you can see everything, you can check it here. Okay, got it here now. So initially what are there, first I wanted to see, because I know I declared it, I declared a variable a and I assigned 10. Then I told c equal to a, that means value of a will be first 10. Then I am telling c is equal to c plus a, or c plus equal to a. The meaning is that line number 8, c is equal to c plus a. What is the value of c? C is equal to 10, a is equal to also 10. So c plus a means it will be 20. You got it now. So you can say c a plus is equal to 20. Similarly, c minus also you can see the output here. If you see the, so first case it has given 10, then it's 20, then 20 minus 10 is equal to this one, and the output also here c was 10, and c multiplication c into a is equal to, it will be 100. I did a mistake there, and it will be same as 100. So it will be the same thing. You can get it there. Okay, so 10 into 10 it will be 100, not 200. I just made a mistake here. So that you can do it here, it will be 100. So all the things, all these programs you can do it here. Similarly, this is the program number 4. Program number yeah, I have given you the program number 6. Okay, so program number 6 I have drawn it here. Then I am moving to the program number 7. Okay, so I think after program number 4 you could have gone to program number 5 also. I'll check it there, what is program number 5. So open, it is in this program number 1 2 3 4 5. We have the program here, and you can see here what I am doing it here. Suppose I am having I just, it is the working on that is the increment and decrement operators. Okay, I am working on increment and decrement operators. How I am working on that one, I am going to show you. So hash include stdio.h, just I included the standard input output file, header file, then integer main started, then I declared variable a, integer a, I assigned it to 20, and b I assigned it is equal to 30. Okay, then I am going for float c, so that is the data type is floating point, because it will be some 40.5 like that, and floating point, floating d is also 50.5 is there. That what I am telling, first I am going for plus plus a, then it will be that it is assigned to percentage, because it is only purely I am showing the integer. Then it will be stored at plus plus a. Now what will be there? So plus plus a means initially it was 20, so it will be 20 plus 1 21. Similarly, while going for minus minus b, so b was 30, minus minus b means it will be 20. Similarly, plus plus c, so c is a floating point. You see printf I have given c is equal to floating 40.5. So 40.5 plus c means it will be 41.5. Similarly, minus minus d, minus minus d will be 29.5. Okay, so now we clearly understand, first it is the increment, then it will go for that. So this is the things, you know what is the difference between a plus plus or plus plus a. Okay, so in this case what we are doing, first we go for the increment. So initially a was 20, so here it will be 21. Okay, I run this program and you can see it here. Yeah, we are able to, okay, because it is already running, so we have to about that one, then you have to run this program, and you remember that what is the output we are going to get it here. Yeah, it is coming. So you can see first increment means it has gone a plus plus a means 21. So this is minus minus b means b was 30, it is done 29. So plus plus c, it was the no, it was 40.5 something like that. So the increment it has 41 points. So similarly d was 50, sorry, d was some, yeah, 50.5. So minus minus d, it is 49 point. So you can get all the things. So we are able to do this type of program here. So now we have got program number 5 and 6. Then immediately we are going for executing one more program for you. I'll open the things, and I go for this program number 7 now. Okay, 5 6, and I go for the program number, see, program 7, right? So in this program you can find it here, what I am trying to do it here. Here I am going for the relational operators, because we are discussing the various operator. The relational operator, what is the relational operators? I have told you, it is less than, greater than, and all things we can do it here. Okay, so now see print up now I declared integer a is equal to 10, b is equal to 10, and c is equal to 20. I have given it here. So now I am telling printf percentage d equal to percentage d is percentage d slash n, and a b here a equal to b is assigned a is equal to b. Okay, then a is equal to c. Okay, then here if a greater than b or a greater than c, a less than b, a less than c, a not equal to b, a not equal to c, like that all the things I'm trying to do it here. So it will check all the things. If it is there, suppose in the first case, is it a equal to b? Yes, both are equal, it will come true. The second case, a equal to c, is it a equal to c? A is equal to 10, c is equal to 20, it will come false because it is not equal to c. Then a greater than b, what is the value of a? A is equal to 10, b is equal to 10. Is a greater than b? No, it will come false. Then a less than b, a less than b also it is false because a b both equal to 10. Then a not equal to b, this is also false because a is equal to 10, b is equal to also 10. Then similarly, a not equal to c, it is true because a is 10 and c is equal to 20. So like that, if you run this program, so I am trying to run this program, you can see the output now clearly, and this is the example of relational operators. Okay, you can see it here. So this is 10 equal to 10, it is true, true means it is 1. So 10 equal to 20, it is false, false means it is showing it is 0, you can see it here. And 10 is greater than 10, it is false, 0. So 10 is less than also that 10 is greater than 20, it is also false, 0. 10 is less than 10, it is also false. And 10 is less than 20, it is true, true means it is 1. So 10 not equal to 10, it is false. Okay, 10 not equal to 20, it is true, it is coming 1. So 10 is greater than equal to 10 because at least equal to there, so it will be also true. So 10 greater than equal to 20, it is false, 0. So 10 less than equal to 10 also, yeah, it is equal to sign is there also, it will be also true. So 10 less than equal to 20, it is also because 10 is not equal to 20 but it is less than, so it will come true. So in this way we can go for all the different type of operators and you can work on that one. Okay, so I hope you will be comfortable with this type of programs. One more program we will try to do here. Let us open one more program number 8. Okay, so I am opening program, and program number I am going for program number 8. Okay, so program number 8, so you can check it here. It is the logical operators I am dealing. Okay, I am going for the logical operator. So in this logical operators I told you that that is and all these operators. You can say, so initially suppose I declared a is equal to, because same thing has include std.h and integer main, then started the curly braces with the syntax for that you know. So I declared integer a value is equal to 15, b is equal to 15, c is equal to 30 I have taken, and finally some result will come. I declared a variable result also. Okay, without initialization. So result is equal to, if a equal to the result, you see a equal to b and c greater than b, a b equal and c is also greater than b, so this is true. Okay, print out this value of the things, the result will come true. Okay, it is okay. Then result a equal to it is okay, and c less than b, it is not possible because c is greater than. Okay, so because it is and so both the cases, if it is true then it will come true, otherwise it will come false. The output will also come false or 0 it will come. Similarly, that in this way you can check all the things. So what I am telling, a equal to it is okay, or c less than b, c is not less than b, but a equal to b, these both are equal, so in that case it will also come true. Like that, you know the condition, the conditions. In case of and, if both are true then it will come true, but in case of or, if any of them it is true, also it will come true. Okay, so in this way you can check all the things. Now if you run this program, okay, I run this program and I will have the output here. You can see the true, you remember it is 1 and false is good. See what I am telling, a equal to b and c greater than b. Okay, this c is 30 I have given and it is okay, it is true, but it is the opposite cases, c less than b detailing. So first case it is okay, second case it is not okay, that's and it is you are using the and of this and, so in that case it will be 0. For or operator, at least one condition is satisfied, a is equal to b, that's why it is showing 1, but a not equal to b or c less than b, these cases both are false, so it is showing false. Okay, a not equal to b, it is a not equal to, and negative of that one, not that a not equal to b, this is also true, and not that a not equal, this is also true. So like that we can go for all these operators, whatever the operations I told you that. So we at least we could understand now what are the different type of operators. Now we have run this program number 8 and finally I am going for this. In this video we will be covering up to 10. So open, and I am going for this program number 9. Okay, in this program number 9, yeah, you can have a program like this here. So we are frequently come across this size of operators. Okay, how do you go for the size of operators? So you can see it here. I declared some variable integer a, float b, and double c, and some character d, like that I put it. So now I am going for the printf size of. I want to find the size of a. What is the a? You know, in the data type I already told you that. So for integer it has 4 byte. Okay, similarly floating point you are having 4 byte, double you are having 8 byte. So all the things it is there. So now using this size of operators we can find what is the byte, what is the size of that particular variable. Okay, now let us run this program and you will automatically come to understand integer, float, double, and carry. Remember this thing. So now coming size of integer, it is coming 4 byte, and size of float it is also coming 4 byte. Okay, then size of double it is coming 8 byte, and size of character is also coming 1 byte. Okay, so in this way we are able to understand how to use this size of operators. And the last will be going for this one. Yeah, I open this one and I go for this program number 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 10. So this is the program number 10, and if you see it here, this is, you can see how take the user input from this keyboard. Okay, so hash include stdio.h. So integer main, and I started with the, yeah, you can take it to the next line also, we don't have a problem here. Enter. So now I declared some variable, that is number, so integer number. So please enter an integer. Okay, so this printf command also you can use also for to take the input from that one, but for taking this input you have to use this function scanf, and this printf and scanf both by default are available in the stdio.h header file. Right, scanf, how to do that one? Now what is the number you are taking? What is that number? Because initially I am going declaring the data type is equal to integer. Okay, it is integer. Integer means it is percentage d. So percentage d, comma, and the syntax is there. You have to put the and that variable name. What is the variable name? Variable name I have already given it number. Okay, that means what is the data you are taking, that it will be stored, that the data type is percentage d, and it will be stored in the number. Then you want to print, you enter the integer, and what is the data type you use? Percentage d, comma, where it is the number. Okay, return 0. So now if I am trying to run this program, I am running it here. Suppose I take some, I give some input, and you can see the output. Okay, now it is by enter integer. So I procure the number is 98. Okay, enter. Now you can see you enter the integer 98. Now you can see this is the way you can take the input. So I hope I have given you the minimum things to you, minimum stuff to you, and if you guys, you can go for a number of practice also. And you do one thing, you because every day I cannot send all this message to you. You have to subscribe this channel, so that all these channels, all the number of videos I will be preparing immediately, you can get it without delaying. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and you do share with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe. Take care of health. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.